Freedom of the seas, baby.
Let's go. We made it through security. So while you wait to board, you can do your mustard drill. So JJ's doing it for us because he does everything for me. I just show up.
About to break a record on time.
The time is
10:48.
10:48, and we're getting on. And this trip, we have the unlimited dining package. So we're getting on and going straight to Izumi to make our bookings because you're not allowed to do it until you're on the boat.
First world problems, baby. It's like that. We are home. She's home.
JJ already got his embarkation prosecco, our beverage cups, and now we're heading to Izumi.
I'm gonna come back and show you
to make our reservation.
That's what we do.
So we just made all of our reservations. We have Giovanni's for lunch today. We have Chops for dinner tonight. We have Izumi for dinner tomorrow. And Giovanni's is the Italian kitchen for our last dinner.
We do.
Cheers!
Oh my goodness.
Reservations made? Check. Embarkation Prosecco? Check, check. What else? Muster station complete? Check, 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 check.
Casino tour? Not checked yet. Back to the casino. Give the people what they want. And I found it. Didn't take long.
Wheel of Fortune.
Yeah, buddy. Is it a double side or is it just two?
Have you seen the roulette yet either? Ooh,
No.
Golden Goddess and Standing.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is the emptiest. You'll see the casino the whole trip.
Oh yeah. Yeah, did you see buffaloes again? Oh, I'm coming for that later. Living our best life. Dancing by the slot machines.
Not a cruise until
First shot of espresso.
proudly serving Starbucks. And my new name is Abby.
Yeah.
We made it to our room, and it's the cleanest smelling room we've smelled on a ship in a very long time.
Wish you could smell it.
It smells incredible. Clean.
Mm.
Nice.
Mm.
You want to see it?
Well, start with the basics. Closet. Bam. Closet test.
Safe, hangers, shelves,
Y'all ready for this?
dancing JJ. And down here you have your.
Now remember,
It is
it's
a.
not a fridge. It's a cooler.
It's a
And that's your
cooler.
little disclaimer here.
Do not drink
Cooler.
milk.
Ooh.
No milk out of the
Store
fridge.
milk there for days and drink it.
Couch.
Couch.
They did do the royal amplification back in 2020, but they didn't do the rooms. So the rooms are
None of
still
them are there,
OG.
So still don't know how that happened.
Mirror full length. Ladies love it, or at least I do.
Give the people what they want. It's time for the bed test.
It's a bed. It's a king right now, but it goes separate, but okay.
Oh, these things are great. They're not the softest in the world, but I don't want soft. I want firm. That's nice.
That looks firm.
That's nice.
You can separate it if you need to into two twins, but we have it as one because we are married. Is there no outlets? There's a little table and drawer. Do you have an outlet on your side?
There is no outlets. This is a
No
outlet-free ship.
outlets next to the bed.
Outlet-free.
So plugins are all over here. And now the best part.
Balcony.
Balcony.
Look at the size of it.
This one's actually like, it's deep. Look at him. Look at this. Starfish for the fam. Look at that.
And I'm a tall guy.
Yeah. All 9 of him.
All of it. Fits.
But
This is big.
it's deep, and look at the view of Miami. So we just had lunch at Giovanni's Italian Kitchen, and it was chef's kiss. We had the meatball gigantico, or gigantique. We had the meat and cheese platter. We had a 7-cheese pizza. We had chicken parmesan, which was honestly probably my least favorite part of the meal, was the chicken parmesan. And then they came out and they sang happy birthday to me and gave us cannolis and a shot of limoncello. So it was great. Great meal to start the trip.
Oh, baby.
Hey,
bro.
bro.
I'm not doing this anymore.
What's happening?
Heart attack. That horn scared the freaking bejeebers out of me. Be careful if you stand at the front of the boat.
It's
See
right
that horn
there.
right there. Oh my god, I'm checking my heart rate on my Apple Watch right now. It's gotta be like 170. Said I just had a minor heart attack. Confused. Right now we are backing out of this boat.
Yeah, we're pretty sure. We're at the front of the boat.
We're at the front.
The
We're going backwards.
ocean's that way.
We're backing into the
Miami's that way.
We're literally.
But we're moving this way. So we're reversing the entire way. Correction. We're pivoting. Next to you. We're turning around now. It's dinner time. Tonight we are going to Chops. We watched the sail away and it was really pretty leaving Miami, and so we only left ourselves about 7 minutes to get ready for dinner.
Who's counting?
So this is what we're going with.
We are.
JJ is doing something in here.
I'm making magic, baby. Making magic.
Also, if you didn't know, it's wave season. So we here. Right? January, wave season. We thought our last cruise was wavy. We thought our cruise before that was wavy. And now we're on this one. And the boat's at like this angle. Perfect for dinner. Let's go.
Ooh, we are late for dinner, but that's okay.
By 2
We're on a
minutes.
cruise. We'll let you know how it is afterwards. Chops Grille. Bam. Chops Grille. Lots of moving.
We just had dinner at Chops
Grill.
Grille. And it was good.
Awesome. Yeah.
I wouldn't say it was like fabulous.
I'd say it's very good.
I had salmon. It was good.
I'm gonna say
It was kind of a little like bland. The steak was actually good.
It was awesome. I had the colossal shrimp appetizer.
That was
amazing.
good. That was
Huge
good.
jumbo shrimps, mini lobsters basically. Crab cake was solid. Lobster bisque, awesome. And I had more shrimp for dinner.
I had salad that had fried goat cheese on it, which was decent. It was just nothing special. It's not that it wasn't good. It was just nothing special. But my dessert was special. It had the warm chocolate cake. Get the warm chocolate cake.
Sign me ooh.
It was good. It was really good.
And I had the hot and steamy coffee liqueur drink. Didn't drink it all. It was alright. Drip coffee was awesome. What else? I guess all we got. Oh, I have a red velvet cake I brought back to the room, so I'll let you know later how that is, man.
But for now, we're gonna go to probably the casino.
Hot hands in a dice game, baby girl.
And we're definitely gonna go to the ice skating show soon.
Those cute little cheeks. Sometimes there's a first for everything.
So we were just like, the neighbors must be playing music because we heard this really faint music. And then it sounded like it was coming from not over there. And we know that this button's always here to hear the announcements.
Creepy.
But Our button's usually... Wait. Our button's usually broken.
What we got over here? Oh, that's fun. Turn it up.
This is over
Turn it
here.
down. Just show. Wow, that's weird. So you're telling me this is
Can
just...
you hear that?
Can you hear?
That's
Damn.
actually just kind of creepy music. But ours must always be broken because no matter what cruise we've been on, we have to open the door to hear the
Right.
announcements that come over.
Something tells me tomorrow morning it's gonna be straight. Perfect day, a perfect day, a perfect day at Coco Cay.
Also, we're probably not going up in the balloon that we're supposed to go up in because it's windy.
It's windy as a
But let's
mofo.
pray that we go up in the balloon tomorrow. Because I'm so excited.
There you go.
But right now, andiamo. How was the ice skating show?
Possibly my favorite ice skating show I've seen on a cruise
It
ship.
was so
It was, like,
entertaining.
up there.
They were really good and they did
Tip-top.
backflips.
Multiple.
Would do again?
It was flipping good. Literally the top 3 best shows I've ever seen on a cruise.
Don't laugh at funny people. I don't. It takes a lot to make me laugh, but my cheeks hurt. Pete Matthews. They say he's a juggler.
More, much more.
That was so good. That was so good. I can't believe that was good.
That was good.
I laughed and snorted a lot. We were supposed to go up and up and away in Coco Cay on the helium balloon, and
No dice. No dice.
we got a voicemail in our room saying
Don't come.
it's too windy, which we kind of already knew. But the
Obvious.
blinking light on our phone's been going off since we got here, and we just...
Pro tip, check your voicemail when you get to your cabin. It may give you valuable information.
Yeah. So, we will not be going up in the balloon, but we'll still be doing something to get a perfect day.
Perfect day at Coco Cay.
Perfect day.
Perfect day.
Perfect day at Coco Cay. We'll figure it out, but for now...
When you wake up in the morning.
Good night.